Mr. Wright.
Hello, Doctor. Could I see Joe today instead of tomorrow? I've got an hospital appointment tomorrow.
Yeah, sure you can. Not serious, though.
No, just a little test.
Right, I'll take you down. Let's go. Hi, Joseph. Your dad's here to see you again.
How are you, Joe? You're looking fine, lad.
I'll leave you to it.
Rain looks like he's home for the day.
Rain? Hasn't stopped raining for bloody weeks. There's water everywhere. Water in my kit bag, in my ammo pouch. I didn't sign up for this, you know. I volunteered. I'm not a conscript. Your country needs you, that bastard said with his big bloody finger pointing at me. I didn't say I'd have to fight rats for my piece of bread. They didn't tell me that when they waved us off saying you pack up your troubles in your old kit bag. All you'd have to do is walk across no man's land and the Hun would give up, they say. Yeah, and that twat Haig, 1 minute he's pushing a pen and the next minute he's pushing a fucking ladder to get bones to bits. No, he never told us that. I should have done what Scotty McLeod did. I shot off 2 of his fingers, he did. That's what he did. Now he's swanking around fucking Bonnie Scotland, the right fucking hero he'll be. Poor old Chalky White, he should have done that too. Before his trench foot set in. He stuck a bayonet right through it, he did. He never felt a thing. Poor old Chalky, he died right there in front of me. The next day, the rats had a right old feast on him. And for what, eh? For what? We gained 6 miles. 6 miles. I heard them say some fucking Austrian prince gets done in. And we gained 6 miles. 6 miles of dead bodies. And we can't get back because the barbed wire is still there. And they told us the barbed wire would be blown to bits. Oh, don't worry, lads. Our bombs will smash that wire. It'll be a walkover.
Okay, Joe. Shall I take you out on the porch? Still wet, but it's warm.
I don't want to sit on the porch. It overlooks the cemetery. I don't want to see my mates getting buried. I don't want to see them shoved in a shallow grave and covered with a mat. Look at us all. Look at us. All skeleton and bones. Just waiting for our turn. Look at us. Half of us have got berry. Some of us no legs and we force marched to the jungle to build a frigging railway to nowhere. And look there, poor old Jonesy, getting another beating, and for what? Stealing a beetroot? Fucking beetroot, for God's sake. No, I don't want to sit on a porch. The medic says I'm on light duties and I should be in the hospital with Nobby and Barney. And they need me. They need me to look after them. I'll feed them and they can have my soup. It's got bits of rat meat in it. But it'll make them better. And, oh, look. They're burying Nobby. Oh. Poor Nobby. Yomping for miles to get a shot in the back of the head. Where's the fucking band? Where's Vera Lynn? We'll meet again. Poor old Nobby, buried in the jungle. No fucking band. Not even that screeching cow from Rochdale. I'd drop a bomb on them bastards. Bastard orgies. All that way for a couple of weeks. Poor Nobby, yomping for miles to get a shot in the back of the head. What do they want a fucking little island like that for? Sheep shagging? That's all it's fucking good for. It's all that Tony Blair's fault. Weapons? What weapons? I didn't see any weapons. I saw Nobby coming up the back of that plane. I saw his car on the television, throwing flowers over it. I saw the Prime Minister with his big cigar sticking 2 fingers up to the lads. We'll fight them on the beaches, in the jungles. We'll shag the fucking sheep. We'll fight the rats. They're not getting my bread or Nobby's. Me and Nobby and Jonesy, we'll sort them out. Put this fucking bayonet right up their fucking arses. They won't know what's hit them. I'll wait right here. I'll wait until they come back to the porch. No way am I going out in that rain. I'm sick. The medic said I'm sick. The medic said I am sick. Sick! Sick! Sick!
Alright, Joe. Joe.
Excuse me, Doctor. Could I take him out later on? If it stops raining, just for an hour.
Yeah, don't you why not? I do the world of good.
Listen to the harps, hear their soothing lullaby. Take my hand, and I will walk with you. Yes, I'll walk with you. The road to heaven is straight ahead. They wait there for us. If you take my hand, and I'll walk with you. Yes, I'll walk with you. There is no war. It's over now. The fighting stopped. It's over now. There's no more war. We can go